Okay, so this is for D equals RT, which is distance equals rate times time. Let's see if I can do this. D equals RT. And somebody has asked that I make a video to show y'all how to do the graph, since we did not do a graph in class. So what you would do is you would go ahead and underline what's important, or you can highlight it. So if Alex traveled at a rate of 16 miles per hour, well, we already know anytime it says per something, that is our rate. So I'm going to go ahead and write R for that's my rate. And it says to complete the table and graph to show D, which is right there, and how far he traveled after H. Well, H we know is our hours because it says number of hours. So by looking at our rate that I highlighted, 16 miles per hour, we know that if we go 1 hour, we did 16 miles. Okay? This, based on, let's see if I can get rid of that. There we go. Okay, down here at the bottom, it has numbers. This is our y-axis, and this is our x. You can kind of see the x-axis. Our x-axis always goes horizontal, and our y-axis always goes vertical. As you can see, this already has, oops, let me go ahead and erase that for y'all. This already has our numbers, and if you notice, those are in increments of 16. Because if you went 2 hours, you went 16 miles the first hour and 16 miles the second hour. So it would be 16 times 2 because it is our rate times our time, which is equal to 32. So if you look at your hours and your distance, this looks like this would be our hours. And this would be our distance. Okay? So we would plot them just like we would plot any graph. Our hours says 1. So this is our 1. And for 1 hour, we do 16. That means our point would be right there. If we went 2 hours, we went 32. So this is our 2. We would go up to 32. Our line will end up, you will connect. Let's see if I can connect it straight. It would connect. That is how you would draw a graph for D equals RT. It would be the same as when you do constant of proportionality and you do a graph with that, your X and your Y axis. So if you want to, you can put your distance is your X axis and your hours are your Y axis.